Okay, guys, I had a couple of questions about this, so I wanted to work this problem out for y'all. So this is subtracting polynomials, and we do have two variables in this one. So first of all, we went ahead and just wrote down the problem, and then anytime you're adding or subtracting polynomials, you always keep the first polynomial the same, so I just rewrote that. Then, because this is a minus, you have to distribute that through the second set of parentheses. So that's going to make that minus 17s r squared, and then it changes this to plus 7, and then minus 3r squared s squared. Okay, at that point you're just going to combine like terms. So remember that like terms have to have exactly the same variable and exponent. So if we look first, this first term has r squared and an s. So if we look through, if you look at this term, this negative 17sr squared, the variables are in the wrong order. They're just trying to trick you, but it still has an r squared and an s. They're just opposite order. But those are like terms, so we can combine those. So we have 11 minus 17, which is, sorry, it's hard to write on. It's a little messy, so y'all may just have to get used to it. 11 minus 17 is negative 6 r squared s. And then we go to the next term. We have 6rs. So we're looking to see if there's any other term that has just an r and just an s. And if you look through, they don't. So we're just going to keep that one the way it is, plus 6rs. And then if we go to the next one, we have 7. And if you look, that's just a number or constant. If you look, we have a 7 down here. So we add those together to get plus 14. And then we have 6r squared s squared. So we're looking for both variables to be squared. And if you look at this last term, we have negative 3r squared s squared. So we do 6 and negative 3 gives me a positive 3r squared s squared. And then that is your answer. So I hope this helps you guys a little bit.